This is what I do when I have ripe bananas at home. Here I'm using 4 bananas, already sliced, and 2 cups of milk. I'm going to put everything in here. Tell me what banana recipe you usually make at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Next, I'll transfer everything to the blender. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'll add 2 eggs, cover, and blend everything well. You'll be surprised by the result of this recipe. It's very easy to make and very tasty. Once that's done, now here in the pan, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, turn on the heat, and stir the sugar until it forms a caramel. At this point, I'll add half a cup of water while still stirring. I'll do this slowly. This is the syrup for our dessert. And this is how it should look. I'm going to pour everything into the mold, and we'll spread it well throughout the mold. Now, I'll take the blender mixture and pour it all in here. Look how much it yielded, everyone. Now let's cover with aluminum foil. I'll place the mold inside a pot with water. Cover and let it cook for 30 minutes. Here, I've already unmolded our banana pudding.